everybody, welcome back. By the time you see this, New Year's is going to be over, but I wanted to bring you the look that I did for New Year's Eve. And this is perfect for any time you're going out on the town. This is a really fun and kind of spunky look to go with. So as always, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more, and we'll go ahead and get started. As always, I'm going to start with Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I always just pick up the travel size. It's like 13 bucks at Ulta. And I love this. It really helps keep your eyeshadow in place and keeps it from creasing. And if you're like me with oily eyelids, it makes everything flawless. So I'm going to start with Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette and the color Eden. And I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush and just brush that up above my crease and into my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to go a little bit darker, and I'm going to use the shade Saturn from my Anastasia Prism Palette. And I'm going to blend that with the same fluffy blending brush right underneath of the Eden color. So next up, I'm going to use my smaller blending brush from BH Cosmetics, the Rose Gold collection. And I'm going to use the color Obsidian in the same palette and swipe that into my lower lash line and outer corner of my eye. And take one of my fluffier blending brushes and blend that out. I'm going to go back in with my fluffy blending brush and the color Eden again to kind of soften up those edges. So now we're going to cut the crease with Tarte Shape Tape Foundation in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm using my Morphe M408 smudging brush to apply that into the inner corner into the middle of my lid. Now normally I would use their concealer, their Shape Tape concealer, but I really like the way this foundation goes on for perfecting my brows and doing cut creases. Now I'm going to use NYX Glitter Primer with a small flat top brush and just apply that over where I cut the crease. This glitter primer is awesome. You can find it at Ulta. I think it's like $9, and it holds the glitter in place so well. There's virtually no fallout. And then I'm going to use the NYX glitter in silver and just apply that over where I put the glitter primer. And I promise you, this is not going anywhere when you use that primer. And then I'm going to go back in and just kind of blend over the top, make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream Color in the shade Jet to create a nice dramatic winged liner. Now, I'm one of those people that absolutely has to use two hands when doing liner because I'm always so shaky. Now I'll curl my lashes and I'm going to use Tarte Man Eater Mascara to top it all off. As always, I'm going to finish off with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I was having a bit of trouble trying to figure out which lippy I wanted to use in this video, but I ended up going with my classic go-to Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Family Jewels. But that's all I have for you this week, and I'll be back next week with a brand new video for you. As always, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and get the word out there, and I'll see you guys next week.